You are going to love this video, so please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so that Mr. P can let you know when new uploads are published.
Hi, welcome. This video is about generating traffic online. In this video, we are going to focus on YouTube. Do not let that bother you. YouTube is easy. You will see how you can use already made videos, and you will see also how to create videos and never be on camera. All at zero cost. And stay with me for 2 free bonuses that can help you with your videos. In the following video, we will take a look at some of your other traffic options. This is the 7th video in this training series about how to make money online fast with Clickbank. The training will work with any network, niche, or any product or products. The training is geared to newbies. You will find a link to the first video in the series below. Let's get started. YouTube is an extraordinary website and an extraordinary source of free traffic. YouTube gets over 122 million visitors per day, and those visitors watch over 250 million hours of video per day. So tapping into YouTube is a must. Every piece of content that you create for your website or blog needs a video, and the reason for a video is to use that video to drive traffic to that web page or blog post. As you have learned, each piece of content should be built upon a single keyword or keyword phrase. We are going to use the same strategy for your video. In the last video, we created our web page around the keyword phrase. How to lose weight without exercise. According to Keyword Explorer, which is one of the free tools from TubeBuddy, it shows an overall score of 93 and a search volume of 234,000 searches per month on YouTube. You will find Mr. P's affiliate link to TubeBuddy in the description below. Let's take a look at how to do this. As you have seen in previous videos, we can use videos that are provided by our affiliate, such as Live Pure or the custom keto diet. The videos are already made, so that is the easiest and fastest way, but you also can create a video. When it comes to making your own videos, it is easy, and it is free, and it is fast, and, as mentioned, there is no need to be on camera. Since not all Clickbank affiliates provide videos, and since many of the affiliates that do provide us with videos only offer a few videos, making your own video is a skill that you want to have in your arsenal. The good news is that you can legally use other people's videos, which is why making videos is so easy. There are plenty of sites that you can use. These sites are called stock video sites. Examples of sites that Mr. P uses are Pixabay and Pexels. Their videos are free to use as your own and no attribution is needed. As mentioned in earlier videos, a strategy that will work well is one that is called the rest of the story. What that means is that your video gives your YouTube viewer a taste or an overview of what they will find when they visit your website, or landing page, or blog post. All they have to do is to click the link in the description. The link in the description is to your new web page of blog post, or to a squeeze page or landing page. Your link is never to your affiliate. Why not send viewers directly to your affiliate? As a newbie, it may seem like sending visitors directly to your affiliate is the right choice. It is not. You might fear that you will lose out on opportunities to make money, and you are wrong. You will discover that you will make more money by sending visitors to your web pages, landing pages, squeeze pages, blog posts, and so on. It may be hard to comprehend, but there is one thing that is more important than making sales. Perhaps you have guessed that the most important thing is growing your list. In the long run, you will increase your income potential by 400%. Although it is not a good idea to send every visitor to some type of an email capture page, you increase your chances of growing your list and ultimately making a lot more income by sending them to your site. As you saw in the previous video, once your visitor is on your site, Give them the content that they are looking for or have been promised, along with ample opportunities to make purchases by way of your squeeze pages. You can also add pop-ups, incentives, and so on. Since your content has value, visitors are likely to trust your site, which means more returns, more sign-ups, more click-throughs and more sales. Let's take a quick look at how to make a free video using sites such as Pixabay and Pexels. You are going to be pleased and surprised at how easy and fast it is. You will need a video editor, there is no need to spend money. Clipchamp is a free online editor, OpenShot is a free downloadable editor, both are excellent, neither has a watermark, and at the time of this video, there is not a limit on how many videos that you can create. I have taken us to Pexels. The site is pexels.com. We want videos, so if it says Photos, hover over the word Photos, a drop-down will appear, click on Videos. The web page that we were creating in the last video was based on the keyword phrase, "How to lose weight without exercise." We want to create a video that will send visitors to that web page, so we want video clips that are relative to that keyword phrase. And our website content. If you recall, our web page was about 9 ways to lose weight without exercise and 29 ways to lose weight naturally. Before we get our video clips, first allow me to share an overview that we can use for our video. An overview? The idea is to set up a format that you can use for your video. This is a trick that will make easy video creation even easier. Not mandatory, but recommended as an intro. This is a short 3 to 5 second clip that we can create one time and then use it over and over again. A simple intro that will help brand your channel as your channel presence. You want to follow your intro immediately with what your video is about. Our viewers are watching because they want to know how to lose weight without exercise, so we need to let them know that is what our video is about. And, it is important that we use this exact keyword phrase in text and/or speech. We also want to be sure that our exact keyword phrase is in our title, our description, and our tags. What most YT creators are not aware of, is that, including our keyword phrase in our video is going to help our video. YT has the technology to know what our video is about. When we create our video and include the keyword phrase several times, YT knows that. It helps our video to get pushed out to more viewers who are using that keyword phrase. Next, we want to include an overview of what our viewers can expect when they visit our web page. In other words, provide them with an overview of the web page content. Next, we can add a quick like and subscribe clip. This is a short clip that we can use over and over again in our videos that asks our viewers to give our video a like or a thumbs up, and to ask them to subscribe or join the channel. Next, we want to add some kind of attention grabber.
Welcome. If losing weight has been difficult for you or nearly impossible, you are about to discover how to lose weight without exercise. Exercise is certainly beneficial. It helps us to be healthy, to stay healthy, and to live longer. You might be surprised, however, that exercise does not help you much when it comes to losing weight. For example, if you walk a couple of miles, 2 miles a day, you will burn around 200 calories. About 100 calories per mile. If you eliminate sweets such as a half cup of ice cream or 2 sugary soft drinks per day, you will have cut your caloric intake by 250 calories.
This can be some kind of information that is contrary to what they might believe or a bit of information that they might not be aware of. In this case, we do not want to put down exercise. It is an important part of a healthy lifestyle, but most people are not aware that exercise is not as effective at weight loss as they might think. The point is that when we include an attention grabber, we improve our chances of viewers continuing to watch our video. Let's face it, for our video to do its job, We need our viewers to click the link to our web page, and to make that happen, we need to keep them watching. Next can be a brief overview of your web page content, but Mr. P recommends that you use the strategy called, the rest of the story. What that means, is to give them a taste of what they will find.
Such as bad sleep habits can cause weight gain, and can make weight loss very difficult. A lack of sleep can interfere with the appetite-regulating hormonal agents leptin and ghrelin. For 9 ways to lose weight without exercise, along with 29 scientifically proven ways to lose weight naturally.
Follow that up with your CTA, which stands for Call to Action. In this case, your CTA will be to tell or ask your viewer to click the link below for more.
Visit our web page. You will find a link in the description below.
You will find a video outline that you can use in the description. Our video outline is Intro, Keyword Phrase, Content Overview, what viewer can expect to find when they visit your web page. Like and subscribe clip, Attention Grabber, information they may not know or that is contrary to what they expect. Rest of the story. Provide a taste of your content. CTA Call to Action. You will find a link below, click the link in the description. For the entire article, for all the details, and so on. After we follow the video outline, our script is ready. We want our video clips to match our script, hopefully enhance our script. All it takes is to find clips that fit your script. So type into the Pexels search box, appropriate keywords, such as overweight. According to statistics, about 57% of the people that are trying to lose weight are women, so, let's begin our search with the keywords, weight loss women. We can right-click on any video that we consider using, then watch it, and if we like it, we can download it. Attribution is appreciated but not required, and we can use these clips as our own. Download the clips that you want, and then upload them, if you are using an online editing site such as Clipchamp, or import them to your video editor, if you are using a downloadable editor such as OpenShot. Next, I want to share one of your bonuses. When Mr. P got to this part of the video, he wanted a clip of a person or people, pointing down. Pexels did not seem to have what he wanted, so he went to a site called Giphy. It is giphy.com. Giphy is a site that you can go to for animated images and short animated clips up to 30 seconds long. One of the reasons why Mr. P wants to share this site with you, is that it can be a source to help you find exactly what you want. In addition, it has an excellent variety of funny clips. Adding humor to your videos can help your videos, so keep Giphy in mind. Adding voice is not mandatory, but if you create a video with no voice, in other words, text only, and then a video with voice, the voice video will outperform the voiceless videos. You can add a voice, called a voiceover, by using your own voice. You also have an option of using AI. A free source of AI voice that will surprise you is a site called Flicky. The quality of the AI is excellent. You will find Mr. P's affiliate link in the description, if you want to give it a try. The downside of Flicky is that it has a monthly limit of 5 minutes for the free version. Mr. P usually uses Create Studio for his AI voiceover, but it is not free. Create Studio is an awesome animated video creator that comes with an unlimited AI voiceover. At the time of this video, the cost for Create Studio is $67 and you own it for life. Mr. P is not a fan of newbies spending money that their new online business does not yet have, so if $67 is a difficult expense, it might not be a good choice. If it is not a problem, Mr. P uses and loves Create Studio. You will find his link in the description. Next bonus is your music track. One of the best sources for your music is YouTube. YouTube has a huge audio library and it is all free. You will find it in the left column in your YouTube Studio. Some of the music needs attribution, most does not, and if attribution is necessary, it is as easy as copying and pasting, and YouTube will provide you with exactly what you will need to copy and paste into your video description. Next we will cover making your intro, outro, and your like and subscribe clip. That is going to be in the next video. You will find a link to the first video in this training series in the description below, as well as a link to the next video, when it is published. If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. Allow me to invite you to join the channel, so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.